I mean, wouldn't you like to, come by my open house and chat and have some drinks? Do open houses help selling homes? Let's talk about that today. Putting the open house signs might be one of the most dangerous part of realtor's job because we are going on a busy road. Sometimes there's no sidewalks. And when there's a lot of traffic, guys, it can be pretty dangerous. The first way I look at the open house is like making a product available. When you're selling a product, having a shop where it's open for the buyers to take a look. I mean, can you imagine a watch shop that doesn't open? You just sell online? It doesn't make a lot of sense, right? So that's how I look at it. When I look at the open house, making the house available to view, right? Making the house available to view. You don't experience this in Minnesota, but here in Portland, when you say hello to people, they don't say hello back. It's weird. I've had some buyers who really wasn't thinking about buying but came to the open house and they really liked the house, went through the financing and bought the house. So sometimes people don't know that they want a new house until they walk into an open house. I've had a situation where neighbors came to an open house and told their friends, church friends or school friends, old friends. They told them about the house and the friends came and bought that listing. Pretty convenient feature, isn't it? And it's a great office hour for real estate agents because you get to meet a lot of new home buyers. And the more home buyers you meet, the more listings you can connect. So for example, if I meet another neighbor, potential seller, come to the open house, and then I meet more buyers, if that neighbor wants to list in the near future, I may be able to connect the dots between the new buyers and new home sellers. So it's a win-win situation. And I mean, wouldn't you like to, come by my open house and chat and have some drinks? By the way, these are what I drink at home. So if nobody comes, I will just drink them all. So when a broker knows more about different homes in that neighborhood, there's a higher chance to do the matchmaking. Another reason why open houses work is that when you do the open house marketing, we put on our MLS, and that syncs with Redfin, Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, and they have nowadays open house Saturday, Sunday, 2 to 4 or something like that. And that gives the urgency to the buyers who save those listings, who haven't had a chance to come out to look at the house, or especially when their brokers, their buyers agents are out of town, or sometimes buyers don't want to bother their agents. So it's a great way for them to come out and take a look at the listing. And if they've already looked at the listing, it gives them the urgency to make offer because they don't want to compete with the many other buyers during open houses. Let's face it, when we do the open houses, we put on social media as much as we can. And when that happens, it grabs more attention to potential buyers, people who are not even thinking about buying. They may come and take a look. So it's just like, it's just more exposure, more eyeballs attracted to a listing. So the listing becomes more lively. When you're trying to sell a product, it has to be lively, not a dead product. It needs to look exciting, and definitely open houses can add on to that, make the listings more lively. So when you talk to a doctor who cannot fix the disease, they're gonna say, well, it's not gonna work. Just like the open house, if you're talking to a broker who hasn't had success during the open houses or have experience in selling property during, before and after open houses, they're gonna say, well, open houses don't work and it's just a great way to meet more buyers for the brokers, but it doesn't really help selling the listing. It really depends on who you're talking to. So when you talk to me, people like me who sold many listings during open houses, before, during, and post open houses, I can confidently tell you that open houses actually do help selling homes. If you want to sell your home in Portland, Oregon, and want to do a bunch of open houses, I'm your guy. Give me a call, 503-515-4499. And I hope that this basically put a lid on that debate, the open houses work or don't work. The answer is it works.